So I have the Hisense A6 series TV. This is the 43-inch Ultra HD 4K TV. Okay, and I've just taken it out of the box. And before I set it up, I wanted to quickly show you what the back of this TV looks like. So this is it. And here we can see we have this slightly protruding back with breathers and maybe some components in there. And then here we have the AC input. So that's where you put in your power cable. And then we have the AV input here, okay, for both sound and video. And then on this other side, we have a whole line of ports, okay. So at the very bottom, we have a LAN port where you can plug in a LAN cable. If you don't have Wi-Fi and you only have cable internet, this works on this TV as well. And then here we have the digital audio out. We have an antenna. If you want to plug in an antenna, that's where it goes. We have this 3.5mm headphone jack where you can plug in speakers or headphones. And then we have 3 HDMI ports. And then also we have 2 USB ports. Okay, so these are all the ports available on this TV. So that's what the side view of the back looks like. And that's it. Okay, we have these little holes. If you want to mount your TV, that's where the mountings go. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.